Hey there, welcome back to my channel. It's been quite a while since I did a video on my house construction. A lot of work has been done and I'm going to walk you through where we are right now. It's a big change from the last video and I think you'll find it interesting. So let's take a little walkthrough. And here we are. The space that you saw that was built from clearing the ground to the foundation to the framing is now filled in with some kitchen cabinets. Take a little walkthrough. As you can see, there's a lot of cabinets here. Some are missing, some are back ordered because of the delay, because of the pandemic, but we're moving along. We've moved the oven out of the old kitchen. We've totally cleared the space and moved some furniture in there so that work can begin on the old kitchen, the old dining room. Fortunately, we have all of our appliances. You just saw the oven that we had, that we originally had, and now we have the refrigerator, and the dishwasher is over there too. So the island here, waiting on countertops, about 2 weeks away, we hope. We have our kitchen table set up. We don't know which way it's going to face yet, but it's there. It's the most reasonable way for it to be right now. It's not in the way of people walking in and out and any construction, and it fits in the room. And over in the corner we have our little field kitchen set up, microwave, plastic plates, plastic knives, plastic everything, until we get the dishwasher up and running. So it's pretty bare right now, but we're pretty happy that we have some of the cabinets, we have all the appliances, and we have all the fixtures. So that's a good thing. So let's just walk over here to where the construction is really going on right now. We're going to go walk right through this plastic sheeting that's supposed to keep the dust out. Not doing a very good job. And here we have the old kitchen. It is gone. It is totally gutted. The only thing that's left in the old kitchen is the dishwasher, which is pretty old, and it's going out to the curb to be recycled. Electrical's hanging off the wall, plumbing and wiring, everything is exposed. The old wall is here, that has to be repaired, and this whole section of 2x4s is coming down. The contractor stopped today because he got a pretty good shock and a burn from one of the wires which shorted out on his tools, so he wasn't very happy about that. But this is be coming down tomorrow. So if you can envision this, what we're going to have is we're going to have one big dining room here, and you're going to walk through this area, and you're going to have two entries to the new kitchen. This entry here, and this entry here. We're pretty happy with it. We're pretty happy with the progress. We're pretty happy with the contractor. We're pretty happy with the design. We're not very happy with the cost because the prices are going up because of inflation and the pandemic. But that's the way it is. So, thank you for coming back to my channel. Sorry for the long delay. I hope you found this interesting. Hope to do another update when more of the fixtures are in. Some of the plumbing and electrical work is done. You might find that interesting. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, a thumbs down if you don't. But whatever you do, leave a comment. If you have any questions, ask. And thank you very much. Thank you for coming to my channel. Bye now.